watches for him and her in a combination, and the first time that they do the 33 millimeters in ceramic. Welcome or welcome back to WatchAdvisor on YouTube, where the watches are the stars. And today it is Hublot who is our star. We are at the headquarters of Hublot here in Nyon in Switzerland. And I'm happy to have with me Raphael Nussbaumer, Head of Product Development. Very warm welcome, Raphael. And I'm very curious to see what you're going to show us in the next hours to be.
Yeah, we are very happy to share with you the novelties, which is based on our 20 years anniversary of Big Bang. We have also an interesting pair watch, kind of here on Earth, with a very nice, innovative, trendy colors in a green mint and petrol blue color.
Petrol blue, and the small one is the 33 mm?
Yeah, first one is 33 millimeter one-click watch for the first time in ceramic, and
wow.
Big Bang Unico in
Interesting.
42.
Watch the video. Lots of things to discover here on WatchAdvisor, and we will disappear from your screens because WatchAdvisor is the place where the watches are the stars. Enjoy the video. With the watches on your screen, Hublot introduces a new idea, watches for him and her in a combination, and they introduce two new colors, petrol blue and mint green. And the third thing, the first time that they do the 33 millimeters in ceramic.
Exactly.
Did I say it correctly?
Yeah, right. This is the first time we introduce a new raw material, the ceramic, one-click 33 millimeter. Until now, these watches were only available in steel or gold, and today we have a very nice new color ceramic.
So these are ceramic watches, and they do 100% match the Big Bang Unico driven chronograph. So let me show you the 33 millimeter watch for her. Raphael said it, it's a ceramic case. You have a bezel that is decorated with lots of little diamonds to really enhance a little bit the reflecting light, giving her the opportunity to, yes, shine with diamonds on the wrist. You also have the one-click mechanism.
Glove is difficult because
it's
a small watch.
Yeah. I will use my pointer. This will help me, I think. Yes, you see. You need to press this button. It's easy because you don't need any tooling, but with gloves it's almost impossible. But you have the one-click mechanism as you do have it on the Big Bang watch, and once you are finished with taking it off, in this case, you just click it in again and you have what you want. Also, if you are interested, you can of course buy this new petrol blue Big Bang Unico chronograph separately, but if you think that you want to enjoy yourself together, this will be the combination to go with it. The chronograph has a diameter of 42 millimeters. You know that. The Unico movement. You do see the column wheel down here. It has been developed in a way, the Unico caliber, that you can see the column wheel that is giving the information start, stop for the chronograph, reset, etc. Thickness, yes, of course, thickness is 14.5 millimeter. The dial aperture of this chronograph is 31 millimeter. 31 millimeters, what you see when you look on the dial. And the length for lug to lug, there are no lugs, but the length on the wrist, when you put the watch on your wrist, is 44 millimeters. The petrol blue strap tapers from 26 down to 19, so it perfectly sits on your wrist. In this case, it's a little bit difficult to combine other colors, I would say, Raphael, but in theory, Hublot offers alternatives for the straps.
Yeah, of course. The idea for this collection was really to have a monochrome color from the dials through the case and the strap. Of course, more difficult to imagine to combine different color strap, but we can add a white, very nice white strap, for example.
That could work, probably.
That will work.
The one-click mechanism is really working. You don't need any tooling. You just have to press the button on top, and then you're able to take the strap off. And if you want to put it back again, just be sure that Hublot is not upside down. And this part of the strap goes at 12 o'clock position. Then you insert the other side, and then it's done. Let me interrupt this video for a short moment, please. We need you to join our community on our website, www.watchadvisor.com. You can now
discover more content. We are going to create forums. We have discussions. You can share stuff. You can come in discussion with me. We're going to present you more insights, more in-deep videos, more in-deep information, and so on and so on and so on and so on. It's all about watches. WatchAdvisor is the name. I am the WatchAdvisor. You know that. This was the reason I'm interrupting this video, and now enjoy the rest of it.
The movement, it's a 4 Hertz movement, 28,800 semi-oscillations, and a power reserve of 72 hours. So very nice. If you prefer to leave it at home during the weekend or whatsoever, you can take it off. 3 days of power reserve, that's something not all chronographs do offer. It's
Sure.
a particularity also of the Unico caliber. Now let me show you mint green. Nice color, mint green. And if you want to, as I said it before, combine it, you go ahead. I will also give you some dimensions of the Big Bang one click. Size of the case is 33 millimeters. Thickness is 10.55 millimeters. All the cases you saw here are waterproof up to 100 meters. The chronograph and the women's 33 millimeter one click watch. The dial aperture is only 24 millimeters, of course, because it's a small watch. And also the strap here is tapering down from 20 to 16, so you really have a perfect fit on the wrist, and combining these, makes sense, I would say, and is a nice way to show others that you love each other, that you share more than your house and everything. You're also sharing the style of watches you're wearing, probably. Prices will come as the last thing. Let me start with the 33 millimeter version. So the prices here are the same. The watch is sold for 15,900 Swiss francs or 18,200 euro, including taxes. So this is not a net price. If you want the net price for the euros, 18,200 deduct 16.666% and you have a net price. The chronograph is sold for 21,900 Swiss francs or 25,000 euro, again, including taxes. Same prices apply here, of course. Nice idea, nice colors, and as Raphael said, the first time that Hublot offers the small 33 millimeter one click in a ceramic case.
Yes, right.
Thanks for watching another short and informative video on WatchAdvisor on YouTube, where the watches are the stars. You see only watches. You hear the voice of Raphael Nussbaumer and Alexander, your host, and we both say goodbye to you, and we do say
Thanks a lot for watching the video on WatchAdvisor on YouTube, and if you think that this is your channel, please check out our website, watchadvisor.com, and especially our community section on our website to really get in touch with us, to share lots of things. You will get more detailed information about the watch industry, in-deep videos. More fun will happen there. So if you're interested, have a look at watchadvisor.com.